let's talk about the Bitcoin technical analysis. So Bitcoin is also doing very good as well. Bitcoin is at 25.9K, pretty much stuck at the 26K resistance. And yeah, we're having a hard time trying to get past this right now. We already got up to like 24.4K, but right now we're really trying to get past 26.5K. But yeah, that's what we're trying to get past right now, 26.5K. We already got past 26.4K, but right now we're at 25.9K. We had a little pullback because we were a little bit overbought here. So you can see that we pulled back because we were overbought, and now you're seeing that selling wave coming in on the oscillator here. But overall, Bitcoin is doing very, very well. I definitely believe now, like, this actually might be the bull market. Like, the fact that we did not go anywhere below this area here at about 19.5K. Like, we hit 19.5K ish, somewhere around that area, 19.5K, barely going down below 20K. And then we just had a huge bullish run. Now, what we're looking at here, though, on the oscillator, you can see how we were oversold throughout these areas here. We were way, way oversold. So these overselling areas, they led to us having this pump because you can see as the selling slows down, the buying speeds up. So I don't know if we could actually attribute this to the inflation rate not being as bad as people thought. But yeah, if you look over here, a lot of people are talking about it. Bitcoin notches 9-month high after inflation data bolsters speculation of smaller rate hike. So they're going to be like, look, we're probably going to get a smaller rate hike, so it's not going to be as bad. And yeah, so I don't think it's going to be too bad for us. Yeah, we got all the way up to 26.5K, so we did very good there. The CPI rose 0.4% in February from January and was up 6% annually, but it wasn't as bad as they thought that was going to be. So it's a little bit better, right? And then over here, they say that compares with previous speculation that the Fed could hike by 50 basis points. So they thought that the Fed would hike by 50 basis points based off of the previous CPI data. But now this CPI data, they're like, look, the latest CPI reading solidified expectations that policymakers will increase rates by another 25 basis points. So, and then pause afterwards. So they're going to increase it by 25 basis points, and then they're going to pause after they do that instead of doing it month after month after month after month because it kind of looks good. They thought they were going to have to do 50 basis points. So this kind of makes it way better for us. So yeah, Bitcoin definitely looking very bullish here for Bitcoin. You can even see over here Bitcoin at up to 7.5% in the last 24 hours. That's very good. I think that we actually might be inside of the bull market. So this is really good news for us. But yet again, Bitcoin, just like Baby Doge, is at a huge resistance area. So we got to get past this area. We got to get past 28K, honestly. Like, if we can get past 28K to 30K Bitcoin, then I think that would pretty much show that, yes, this is the bull market. But right now, I do believe that this quite possibly could be the start of something amazing, which is the bull market. So hopefully it's actually the bull market. We had some scares like this back in the past. I mean, if you look back here, we thought we were entering back into the bull market back here, right? And like we thought we were like really, really gonna stay bullish, but obviously it did not stay bullish. It was like, nope, it just kept going down, 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 down all 2022. And then look, we were like, you know what? 2022 is just not that year for crypto. And then coming into 2023, boom, everything starts going crazy. And you also have to remember how the Bitcoin cycles. Like, if you think about the Bitcoin having being next year, 2024 in March, I believe March 24th, 2024, then we usually start pumping literally a year before we have the actual Bitcoin halving. So I think this is the beginning of that because you see, we are now pumping literally a year before the actual Bitcoin halving. So this is going to be interesting, and I'm especially going to be curious to see where we are by March 4th. Because if we are bullish by March 4th, then yes, it is definitely, or March 24th, not 4th, March 24th. If we're bullish by then yes, this is definitely going to be the beginning of the bull market. But yeah, that's what it's looking like here. If you like this video, go ahead and hit the like button and subscribe. There will be lots more content coming to this channel in the near future. And this is the Marcellus Clips channel. So if you want to see the full length videos for all of these videos, go ahead and check out the link in the description for my Marcellus channel. You can find all the full videos for all of these videos. So definitely go ahead and check that out. Shout out to everyone that watched the video. We're going to be continuing to grow on this channel. Big shout out to you all, and I'll see you in the next video.